dear students, there is a notion simile or metaphor or metaphor. Simile or metaphor. Simile or metaphor. These are two notions. These are two concepts. If we talk of simile, we can say, I will give some examples. You can understand through examples. Like, if we compare any person and use like or as. For example, what is your good name? Suhail Ahmad. I will say the face of Suhail Ahmad is like your name, Sheikh Arslan. For example, if I will say the face of Suhail Ahmad is like Sheikh Arslan, I used a word like. For example, Ishrat is as beautiful as your name. Your name, please. Saima. Whatever. Ishrat is as beautiful as. Similarly, Sahil is as handsome as. He is handsome like. When I use the words like or as, like or Mr. Rohel sir is like Naveed sir. For example, Mr. Rohel sir is like Naveed sir, or whatever you can say. When you compare, but the comparison is indirect. It is not direct comparison. It is indirect comparison. It is indirect comparison. For example, his face is like his face. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
When you use the word like or as, we are using, sometimes we are comparing two things. For example, when you are comparing two things, but you are using like or as, it is simile. It is called a
Simile.
It is the notion of
Simile.
For example, the sun is as bright as. For example, obviously, when you use like, use as.
Yes, sir.
When we use in the routine method, or so many routine methods we are using, like this man is like that society is like that, this culture is like that, this society is like that, this association is like that, this for example, this god is like that. We can compare it indirectly, but using the words like or as. It is called a simile. It is called a
Simile.
It is called a
Simile.
Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Now there is one more, that is
Metaphor.
Metaphor. Metaphor. Metaphor, we can say metaphor. There is not, what I should say, we are not using like or as. It is simply a direct comparison. It is simply a direct comparison. It is simply a direct
Comparison.
For example, time is money. Time is, we are generally saying time is, old is, old is, neither we use as, neither we use like. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Neither we use as, neither we use like. We are simply saying old is gold, time is
Money.
money. There is neither like, neither as.
As.
So in metaphor, like time is
Money.
money. This is direct comparison. This is direct. This is direct comparison. And in simile, there is indirect comparison. For example, we are saying Rashid, or we can say Rashid is as beautiful as Hamid. Okay? Or we can say Rashid is as handsome as Hamid. Okay? Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting me?
Yes,
Any
sir.
confusion?
No, sir.
Ishrat is as beautiful as Saima. You are using as, or we can say Mr. Rohel is like a ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting me?
Yes,
Any
sir.
confusion?
No,
So
sir.
once we use like or as, this indirect comparison, we use this very we use this very technique in simile, and in metaphor we are direct comparing the things. For example, old is gold, time is money, isn't it? The uh, sun is like a, no, the character of, for example, this man has so many characteristics, but it is having the similarity with other person. So the this likeness, but in indirect, we are using the indirect comparison. It's not direct comparison. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are the two concepts, two notions. One is of simile and second is of.
Metaphor.
Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion?
No,
Any
sir.
confusion?
No, sir.
Thank you.